Good morning, friends. Please listen very carefully. Today, our topic is what is deep learning? This topic is very important. Very important. Many students get confused between machine learning and deep learning. Today, that confusion will be removed. Okay? I'll share the screen. Confusion will be removed. Please listen very carefully. It's visible. Okay. What is deep learning? Day 3. First, understand one thing very clearly. Deep learning is not separate for, from machine learning. I repeat again. Deep learning is a part of machine learning. Deep learning is a part of machine learning. Now, what is deep learning? Listen carefully. Deep learning means a machine learns using many layers, step by step, using many layers, step by step, similar to how human brains, how the human brains learns. Deep learning means a machine learns using many layers, step by step, similar to how the human brain learns. That is why the word deep is used. The word deep is used. Deep means many layers. Deep means many layers. Now, now, why do we need deep learning? Why normal machine learning is not enough? Why normal machine learning is not enough? Because some problems are too complex. Too complex. Example, images, voice, videos. These cannot be solved using simple machine learning. Okay. Image has thousands of pixels. Voice has many sound patterns. Videos has image plus motion. Image plus motion. So we need deeper understanding. We need deeper understanding. Okay, that is where deep learning is used. Now, key idea. Key idea. Deep learning works using multiple layers. Multiple layers. Each layer learns something new, something new, something new. Each layer learns something new. First layer learns basic things. Next layer, more detail, more details. Next layer, and then next layer, even more. Okay, first layer, basic things. Next layer, more details, and next layer, even more. Learning happens step by step learning happens. This idea is inspired in by the human brain. This idea is inspired by the human brain is also learn layer by layer. Brain is also learned layer by layer. Okay, next topic, machine learning versus deep learning. Machine learning versus deep learning. Now, difference between machine learning and deep learning. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Machine learning. Machine learning uses few favor layers. Machine learning needs manual feature selection. Okay, manual feature selection. Good for simple problems. Okay, good for simple problems. What is feature selection? What is feature selection? Human tells the machine what to look at. Human tells the machine what to look at. Deep learning. Deep learning uses many layers. Deep learning uses many layers. Lens features automatically. Deep learning lens features automatically. Good for complex problems. Also, important line. Important line. More layers means deeper understanding. More layers means deeper understanding. Now, real life examples. One, this is the regular notes. Okay. What is deep learning? Brain inspired learning. Why? Deep networks. Concept in one line. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning where the machine learns using many layers, similar to how the human brain learns step by step. Same. Second one. Why this concept is important? Some problems are too complex for normal machine learning. Images, voice, and videos need deeper understanding. Deep learning powers modern AI systems. Key points to remember. Key points to remember. Deep learning is a part of machine learning. Deep learning is a part of machine learning. It uses multiple layers to learn. It uses multiple layers to learn. Learning happens step by step. This is important. Learning happens step by step. Inspired by the human brain. Human brain. It automatically learns futures. It automatically learns futures. Used for complex data like image and voice. Used for complex data for image and voice. Machine learning was deep learning. Machine learning. Machine learning uses fewer layers. Machine learning needs manual feature selection. Machine learning good for simple problems. Okay. Deep learning uses many layers. Deep networks uses many layers. Deep networks. Deep learning learns features automatically. Learns features automatically. Good for complex problems. More more layers equal to deeper understanding. More layers is deeper understanding. Okay. Next, similar daily life examples. Now, real life examples. First example: face unlock in mobile. Face unlock in mobile. Mobile does not see face like humans. It passes image through many layers. Image through many layers. First layer is edges. First layer is edges. Next layer is eyes and nose. Next layer is eyes and nose. Next layer is full face. Full face. Finally, it decides. It decides. This is deep learning. Second example. Voice assistant. Voice assistants. They listen to your voice. They break sounds into patterns. They use deep layers to understand speech. This is deep learning. Third example, medical scans. Medical scans. X-ray or scan X-ray or scan images is given. Deep learning model checks patterns. Deep learning model checks patterns. It detects disease. It detects disease. Simple machine learning cannot do this. Cannot do this. Now understand the flow. Very important. Very important. Please listen. Input data to layer 1, layer 2 to layer 3, and the output. I repeat again. I repeat again. Input data, input data, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, and so on. Output. Each layer learns something different. Each layer learns something different. Okay, simple daily life examples. Face unlock in mobile. Identifies face using deep layers. Voice assistance. Understand speech patterns. Medical scans. Detect disease from images. Simple flow. Easy to remember. Input data to layer 1. Data layer 1 to layer 2. Layer 2 to layer 3. Layer 3 to output. Yes. So each layer learns something new. Something new. Okay. Next, interview questions or exam point of view. Now, exam questions. What is deep learning? What is deep learning? Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses multiple layers to learn complex patterns from data. Next question. Why is it called deep learning? Answer. Because it uses many learning layers instead of single layer. Because it uses many learning layers instead of a single layer. Now, common confusions. Common confusions. Deep learning is not separate from machine learning. Okay, more layers does not mean magic. Deep learning needs more data. Deep learning needs computing power. More computing power. Now, most important, one line. If you remember only one line, remember this. Deep learning equals machine learning with many layers. I repeat again. Machine learning with many layers. Okay. Now, quick self checks. Deep learning is a deep learning is part of machine learning. Yes or no? Yes, deep learning is part of machine learning. Yes. Next question. Deep learning uses only one layer. Yes or no? Only one layer. Yes or no? No. Okay. Interrogation. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses multiple layers to learn complex patterns from data. Second question. Why is it called deep? Because it be- it uses many learning layers instead of single layer. Common confusion to avoid. Deep learning is not separate from ML, machine learning. More layers does not mean magic. Deep learning needs more data. Deep learning needs more computing power. One line to remember, very important. Deep learning is machine learning with many layers. Deep learning is machine learning with many layers. Quick self-check for students. Deep learning. Deep learning is part of machine learning. Yes or no? Yes. Deep learning uses only one layer. Yes or no? No. Okay? Understood? That's it, friends. This concept is completed. This concept is completed. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you.